Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11,10 stuck on shutting down screen and shutting down takes more times. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand power. Open Hibernate enabled default, change value data to 0. Close and exit Registry editor. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Repeat the steps to all other items. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scan now. Fourth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Uninstall recently installed software or application. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Select F5 Enable Safe Mode with Networking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.